What's up guys, it's been a month since I did an update about all the different PEAKDEFI IDO projects, and today we're going to check out every project that we had an IDO for, and we are going to check out their current developments, what the status of the claiming is, and when the TGE is going to happen if it didn't happen yet. Let's go. So first of all, we are going to check out the completed sales page. Here we can see Tangible as the first project that we launched in April 2022. I remember that. And if we check out their website, we can see that they changed their website appearance to decentralized access to tokenized real world assets. So this is like more of their focus now. And if we scroll down to check out their Twitter, we can see that they post regular stuff on their Twitter account. They just launched their USTB currency a few days ago, which is 100% backed by T-bills, which can be minted on Tangible or swapped for on Pearl Exchange. And this is like their rebasing stablecoin, which Tangible uses with their real world assets. And they also had a Twitter space a few days ago with Arbitrum and Gelato Network. So we can see they're connected with other projects, they're active, they're posting, they're launching stuff, they're developing stuff. So this is one of the few projects that we launched a long time ago, but they are still making a lot of progress, and we are very proud that we were one of the launchpads that offer Tangible to their different communities. So yeah, if you want to have more information, just check out their Twitter. They post regular stuff here, so you can check out all the different information about Tangible on their Twitter account. All right, let's go to the second project. The second project was Fragment. Fragment was like a failed project because the project's TGE got damaged by another investor, let's say like this, and this is why we had to compensate our investor with this and refund them, etc, etc. So this was like a failed IDO, not because of us and not because of the project, but due to a bad investor. So we can skip that and we can check out the next project, which is another one. And for another one, we can check out their Twitter as well. And as far as I know, we don't have a TGE yet. So they're posting stuff regularly, and they're showing different partnerships and what they're going to do, and that they're going to do an airdrop, but they didn't launch their token yet. So this is something that we have to wait for because we have no date yet. So we still have to wait for an announcement from their side about their TGE, but you can follow their Twitter to stay up to date with the latest information so that you can check out when the TGE is going to happen firsthand from their Twitter account. Then we have the next project, which is, I think, Anode. Yes, Anode TGE happened, I think 1.5 months ago, 1.75 months ago. And yeah, they are the main stage for music investments. They are successful, and we can check out their Twitter account as well for the latest developments. And yeah, they have a lot of partnerships with different artists and also platforms. And yeah, they also post regular stuff here. And I think that the TGE for our investors is on 3rd of June, so in 8 days. And that's the time that you have to wait until you can claim your regular tokens here for Anode as well. The TGE was airdropped, I think 1.5 months ago already. So if you want to claim the tokens in 8 days, you can come back here, check out the button, your allocation, and then you can click on the vesting, on the claiming, and then you can start claiming your Anode tokens on a daily basis. Now we can check out the next project, which is AWA. Yeah, with AWA, everything is fine. We still have to wait for the TGE. We have no information on the TGE for AWA, so we can check on the website and their Twitter account as well to see more about the developments here. And we can see that they post regular stuff as well. They have this pinned message here with their Curve Finance, and also they post regular stuff, regular updates. So this is something that you can check out as well. But if you want to have more information about the TGE, we have to wait for that until they announce more information on their Twitter account. And the next project that we have on our mind is Sugar Kingdom Odyssey. Here you can claim the tokens regularly. I know we had this claiming issues in the very beginning. You remember that in the beginning of April, 1.5 months ago, but everything is fine and claiming works perfectly. So if you're invested here, you can just claim every day. It resets at 5:30 p.m. Eastern European time. and you can claim your tokens every day for the next 2.5 months. So with a vesting of 4 months, you can follow their website. It's working. Their website was down for a couple of days because they did a major update, and regarding this update, they had to put their website down, but now everything is working again. They're posting regular updates on Twitter as well, so you can follow them to get all the latest information as well. And the next project that we are going to check out is Vendetta. And Vendetta had their TGE in March, and then we had a 2-month cliff after that. And since May 12th, so for the last 2 weeks, you are able to claim your tokens on a daily basis because we have a daily vesting for 10 months. So every day you can go here and check out your daily claimings. But I would recommend you to do it once a week, once every 2 weeks, because why would you want to claim them every day? But yeah, you can do that. Check out their Twitter account. They're posting regular stuff as well. They're very active there and also with new partnerships. So this is also a very good project that we had an IDO for. And then the next project that we're going to check out is Octavia. Yeah, Octavia was a very successful launch. They launched in February this year. So about 3 months ago, you can just claim your tokens with another linear vesting for 10 months, which already is working. So if you have invested here, you can just check it out and then claim your tokens and follow them on Twitter as well. And then the next project is Edge Video AI. We just finished the sale. That's why here's a little error here, but this TGE is going to be announced very soon because we just finished the sale a few days ago. So we will post more information about this as well in a couple of days. And then regarding BitRivals, I just checked the Telegram group with them again. Their TGE is to be announced, so we don't have a date yet. They just said that they will keep us updated, but we don't know exactly when they're going to launch. But they said that they're going to launch very soon, like when we did the IDO. So hopefully this IDO will happen, or this TGE will happen in a few weeks, hopefully as well. So if you have questions about BitRivals, you can follow their Twitter where they're very active. You can check out their Telegram group where they post stuff every day. And yeah, if you have any questions, just hit us up on the PEAKDEFI Telegram channel or ask them directly. And I think these are all the very quick important updates about the different projects that we had an IDO for. And as I said about Edge Video AI, we are going to update you in a few days about more information regarding the TGE and all the important information about this project as well. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments or ask us on the Telegram group. Other than that, have a good night. Bye bye.